Alright, so the previous one was not free, yeah? You have to upgrade. And we go to this one, yeah, this is still a digital comic platform. I guess it's totally free. You can just go to Makebeliefscomix.com, and then you just click "Y comience aquí." Ah, what is that? It's Spanish language, yeah? You can just click this one, and then before you get started, please sign in first. Register his name, type your password on your email, okay. Okay, I have registered myself here. Okay, now name your comics. For example, what is that? Bad Dream, for example, and author's name. Author is the name who creates something. The mask, okay, you can add up the panels. There are 18 panels maximum. Let's just make 3 first. Okay, down there we have the characters, and then the balloons or the speech bubbles, and okay, let's see, yeah, these are the characters. Okay, back, and the speech bubbles. You can choose the types of the speech bubbles, and the objects. So you need to put objects in your comics. This website also has some objects, yeah, that you need, but probably you'll find characters or objects that you cannot see here. And mask that you need, and background colors, and more. Okay, now let's just choose the background first. There are just few backgrounds here. Okay, let's just choose this one. Okay, now you choose the characters. For example, this one. Oh yeah, it's a ventriloquist. Choose this one. Okay. Now you give the speech bubbles. You can write the story first, or at least short. Yeah, one day ventriloquist show. And then the speech bubbles. Okay, you can just adjust this speech bubbles. Yeah, you can make it bigger or smaller by clicking this one, scale button, and click. Yeah, done. You can also move the speech bubble on any size you want. Okay, now make another speech bubble for the doll. Click this one, and just put it here. Flip. Well, you can also flip the speech bubble. Or if you want to delete a part, you can just click delete and then click this one, the object. Okay. You can make it smaller or bigger, and then that's all. You can just double. Oh, sorry. Now let's start writing the dialogue. Starting from the ventriloquist. Hey, do you want to hear my story? I had a bad dream last night. The doll says, no, I don't want to. Anyway, you are my bad dream. Yeah, that's just example. Yeah. Now, if it's done, you can just go to the next panel here. Now, in my opinion, this website is a little bit more simpler, yeah, rather than the previous one. Okay, you go back. Hey, wait, background. Yeah, choose the background first. Don't forget. And I'll still use the same background here. And choose the characters. Okay, the same. Okay, and I'll add more characters. The mummy. And then the speech bubble. Choose. Yeah. Type again the story, and then choose the speech bubble. Let's make it smaller. Oh well. Choose the speech bubble. Put it here. Okay, yeah. Alright, you can just continue until it's done, and then if it's done, you can just save it. How to save? Oh yeah, click save here. Comics save online. Yeah. And you probably ask how to download the comics. Wait. You can just print it out. Okay. Print email. Oh yeah. You can, yeah, remember you want to save your comic, just press the save button and then you can click that one and save, click save image to disk, or you can also send it to your email here. Let's just save image. Okay, I have saved the comic. Yeah. Okay, this is the result. Yeah, it's done. Okay, that's all. Yeah, you can just try it at home. Okay. Okay, thank you.